So you've clicked on the button to learn more about orthodontic services. Let's take a look at them now. If you don't yet have an account, click the sign up button so you can follow along. Creating an account is quick and easy. First name, last name, email, and creating a password. Of course, when you create an account, you're not being charged anything, you're not obligating yourself to anything. It's free, simple, and quick to do. If you have an account, go ahead and click Login. When we click Order Now for orthodontic services, we're taken to the order form and services in the orthodontics category. You can see a list of the orthodontic services by clicking on the drop-down arrow on the top of the page. You can see service detailed information regarding the selected service by clicking on Service Details. The first service is Virtual Clear Aligner Setup. This service is great for the practice that wants help planning, but will go ahead and print the models and create the aligners on their own. You're going to get an ortho plan. The teeth are going to be segmented, put in their final positioning, and the software is going to create the step-by-step movement of the teeth and generate the models. When the lab completes the service, you're going to receive the digital plan. After receiving the digital virtual clear aligner setup, you could go ahead, export the models, print them, and fabricate the aligners. Placing the order is just a matter of completing the order form. You select the relevant number of jaws. If you have digital scans, you attach them using the Attach Upper Model and Attach Lower Model buttons. If you don't have scans, then select the option of how the models or impressions are going to be sent to the lab. There is an extra fee involved if you will be shipping physical models or impressions. Then continue completing the form, including a unique patient identifier, selecting the aligner frequency, and completing the other drop-down menus in order to specify how you will like the case planned. You are encouraged, but not required, to attach and upload any additional photos or x-rays. In the text box, include any additional relevant information for the lab that has not yet been stipulated. The first time you place your first order, you will need to enter your shipping address, your payment method, and the contact details. The system will store your information securely and automatically enter it for your future orders to expedite and streamline the ordering process. The next service is Clear Aligner Tray Fabrication. This is for the practice that plans the ortho cases themselves but would like to outsource the fabrication and manufacturing of the aligners. The cost for the aligner fabrication is a $30 setup fee plus $20 per aligner. Placing the order is just a matter of completing the order form. Select the relevant number of aligners. Attach the ortho plan. As we discussed, the lab is not going to be doing the planning. You are going to be submitting the planning. The lab is going to be fabricating the aligners. Select the option regarding the creation of a button transfer tray. Enter a unique patient identifier and include any additional relevant information for the lab. The third orthodontic service being provided is a complete clear aligner package. This includes both the ortho plan, which is the virtual clear aligner setup, and the clear aligner tray fabrication. This is ideal for the practice that wants help both with the ortho planning and with the physical aligner fabrication. Attach the relevant digital files if you have them. Select the option if this is going to be for one jaw or both jaws. If you are not attaching digital files, then select the option regarding if you're shipping models or impressions to the lab. If you are going to be shipping physical models or impressions, then notice the lab's address that will appear in the email that you receive after you have completed the order form and your job has been started. The models or impressions should be shipped to that address. Select the relevant number of aligners that you would like to order. The options currently exist to order the first 5 aligners for one jaw, or first 5 aligners for both jaws, the first 10 aligners for each, or all aligners for one or both. If you select the option for all aligners, an initial fee will be charged, and the lab that is processing the case will add the additional charge based on the final number of aligners determined in the plan. It will contact you for your approval before adding the extra charge. Continue with the form completion, supplying information to the lab and the relevant specifications for the case. You are encouraged but not required to upload any patient photos or x-rays. Include any additional information for the lab in the text field. The total cost for the order for this service and for all other services is dynamic. As you go ahead and make the relevant selections during the process of completing the form, the final price and cost will update so that you know the total cost before placing your order.